Here's how to make a delicious sage, onion and apple stuffing. Begin by peeling and finely dicing one brown onion, and then peeling and finely dicing one green apple. That could be a Granny Smith's, a Bramley apple or a Golden Delicious. They're my three favourites for this recipe. Next, place a frying pan over a medium heat and add in 25 grams of butter. Once the butter's melted, add in the onions and apple and cook for around 5 minutes until the onions begin to go soft and translucent. Take them off the heat and place them onto a plate. I do this because this cools down the mixture quicker because we want it cold when it goes into the main stuffing mix. Place 500 grams of pork sausage meat into a mixing bowl. If you can't get sausage meat, buy some good quality sausages and just take the meat out of those. And then add in 90 grams of breadcrumbs and roughly chop 15 grams of sage and add that into the mixture. Next, add in your cooled down onions and apple and mix everything together. You can do this using a wooden spoon, but it might take a little while, so you could always just get your hands in there or stick a glove in if you feel a bit squeamish and give it a good old mix until everything is combined. You can season your stuffing mix with salt and pepper, but bear in mind some sausage meat comes already seasoned, so mine is in this case, so I'm not adding any. But if it isn't already seasoned, then add in a little bit of salt and pepper. At this point you can roll it into stuffing balls or any shape that you like, but I like to just press it into a baking tray and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes until it's completely cooked through and nice and golden on top, just like this. That's how I make my sage and onion stuffing for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.